I think we all needed a little bit of levity and lightness, and to remember that, you know, we can all just play together and we're all community and we can look out for each other and look out for each other. So it's great to see that happening in Greenfoot.
I love it. I love that people brought music. I just got hit in the head. And it's just awesome. Like, just looking at everyone have so much fun, I think it's great.
I'm supposed to fly out tomorrow, so like my family is all freaking out. Like, you're not gonna get home, but I was never worried, and I had a great day with my friends.